Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what is in my Ipsy bag and my Ipsy Glam Plus box for the month of August. Yay! I am really stoked to be showing you guys what it is I got, and yeah, so if you're ready and I'm ready, so let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett, and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below that you can check out. So you're probably sitting there wondering, there's something different going on right now. Something looks different on her with her setup. Well, the big pink chair is gone. I actually got me a legit desk chair now, so now I can just like twirl around and stuff. It's fun. Also, I'm still in the process of redoing my makeup area back there. Right now I have my one shelf of Gerard Cosmetic lippies. Those are all the lippies, and they go like 3 rows back. Yeah. I have 2 more of those little shelves that I need to hang up and put stuff in, and then I have those little they're like reflective circles to put up there as well. I started, but I wanted to finish them all up when I got my shelves up. So yeah, still a work in progress, but I'm getting there. We are rounding out the rest of the unboxings for the month with what I got from Ipsy. As you guys know, I did cancel BoxyCharm last month. I was done with it. It was not pleasing me anymore. It's not what it used to be when I first started it, and yeah, ever since then they have been hounding my email trying to get me to come back, but it ain't happening. All right, so let's go ahead and see what I got in my regular Ipsy bag. All right, first things first, we're going to start with the regular Ipsy bag. This is what the bag looks like for this month. It is green with this like textured design going on, and the bag actually to me looks bigger than the other bags that we've gotten. Is that just me? But I do like the matte green on it. It is really nice. And then of course here's the tag that has Ipsy on it. So let's see what's inside. Let's get the card out. This month's theme is Bare Yourself. This month, use your 5 glam bag picks to celebrate and highlight all of the things you love or learning to love about you. Pretty cool. And this is what the card looks like. Inside, back. Good times. Let's see what we got. Okay, looks like we got a Luxie brush. It is the 237 brush. Just a nice little blending brush. Oh, cool. We have an all-day lip cream by the brand, I always say this brand wrong. I think it's Adsy or Adsy. I don't know. I'll pop it at the bottom of the screen. This is what it looks like. And it is in the shade Beverly Boulevard. I actually like this brand. I'd gotten their cuticle oil in a BoxyCharm box, and I really do like that, so I'm really excited about this. Let's see what this color is. Ooh, I like the packaging. It's nice and simple, but yet it's sophisticated. And the shade is Beverly Boulevard, as I said before. Ooh. There's no smell to it. It smells like a crayon. Ooh, that's a nice, pretty, like, brownie rose color. It is more of a satin than a matte bullet lipstick. And it looks like it's going to go on a little bit sheer, but you can build it up. All right, next item. Okay, it is from the brand Youth to the People. It is Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Face Wash. That's different. There's no animal testing, 100% vegan ingredients, cold pressed plant extracts, and good for all skin types. It says our nutrient-rich gel cleanser helps, I'm trying to read it, but it's like hard with how small this print is, and it would be in like this white on this brown backdrop. It says, our nutrient-rich gel cleanser helps balance your skin and removes daily dirt. Packed with antioxidant rich kale, spinach, and green tea to give you that fountain of youth glow. Oh. Where's the glass bottle? Smell it. As I stick it on my nose. It actually smells really good. That's neat. I can't wait to try this out. I'm gonna try this out. All right. Next we have from Eva NYC, the Satin Dream Leave-In Cream with Caravis and Argan Oil. Detangles, smooths, and moisturizes for all hair. Oh, it's for hair. Well, duh, Melissa, leave-in cream. Add a little luxury to your hair routine and stay smooth in any situation with Eva NYC Satin Dream In Leave-In Cream. This lightweight leave-in conditioner saturates locks with satiny moisture, leaving them soft, frizz-free, and hydrated. Argan and avocado oils feed hair with vitamins and nutrients, while the Caravis protein complex delivers optimal anti-breakage effects. That's really neat. I'm kind of excited to try this out because I have been using the Not Your Mother's Blonde Moments, I think that's what it's called, the Blonde Moments purple shampoo, and it does tend to dry my hair out if I use it twice a week. Normally I will use it once a week, then use my other Not Your Mother's shampoo, but I did it the other day just not even thinking, and it did leave my hair a little dry, so I want to try this out to see if that'll help. All right, we got one more item. Yeah, this is a sample right here. It is from Elizabeth Mott, and it is the Thank Me Later Mattifying Face Primer. I cannot remember if this brand is cruelty free or not. I am going to have to double check. I think they are. So it's just a mattifying face primer. All right, it is now time to see what is in my Ipsy Glam Plus box. I'm pretty sure the card's probably going to be the same. And the theme's going to be the same. I don't even feel a card. There it is. Yep. The design is just different on this one. And it shows what's inside. Cool. All right, let's see what we got first. Ooh, from Thrive Cosmetics, we have the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, length and volume. Orchid Stem Cell Complex. I don't know if you guys just heard that, but the hamster just went woo in the background. That's neat. I've been wanting to try this brand for a while. Oh, it's in the shade Bryn Rich Black. I've been wanting to try this brand out for a while. I think my older sister was looking. Oh my God, this packaging is heavy. My older sister was looking at possibly getting their eyeliner. I don't know if she ever did or not, but she was asking me about it. This is neat. And it's very heavy. Like, I can knock someone out with this. That's nice. Alrighty, let's see what we got next. Okay, from the brand Ahava, it is the Hydration Cream Mask. I have tried this brand before. I got in there, I want to say it was a hand cream in my FabFitFun box a few months ago when I got, like, I think it was like a sample box or whatever. I actually like this brand. It says Hydration Cream Mask powered by Osmotor. Osmotor infuse and nourish thirsty skin with this active hydration mask. A rich, creamy texture softens and smooths the skin, providing intense hydration and comfort. Apply once or twice a week. Rinse after 3 to 5 minutes or leave on all night. Approved for sensitive skin, allergy tested, and paraben free. That's awesome. And it is cruelty free and vegan. Alrighty, next. Whoa. We got a cleanser from Murad. That's neat. It is the Murad Hydration AHA/BHA exfoliating cleanser. Exfoliates to reveal smoother, younger looking skin. I am super stoked over this. I love Murad. They are like one of my, this is like my favorite bougie skincare brand. This right here is expensive. I'm pretty sure just this alone paid for my box. Wow. I am stoked. All right, what we got next? Cool, we got a brush set from F.A.R.A.H brushes. I actually like F.A.R.A.H brushes. It is the, I guess they're the Be Beautiful BU set. They look like a bunch of eye brushes. We have the 65 EM mini shadowing brush. I like the handles. They actually remind me of the OMFG ones that I have, that I got in my Pandora's box a few months ago. We have the 35 EM mini tapered. The 105E pencil. The 15E angled brow. And the 10F concealer. This is nice. And they're really soft too. I like F.A.R.A.H brushes. F.A.R.A.H brushes are really, really nice. I think this is the second set I've gotten. I think the first set I got was in my Boxy Charm box, if I'm not mistaken. Alrighty, it feels like we got one more item. Ooh, it's from Huda Beauty. It is the Coral Obsessions palette. Ipsy's hooking me up with the Huda Beauty. It's less I gotta buy. Ooh, this is pretty. I like these shades. I love warm tones. I don't know what it is about warm tones that I really like so much, even though I did a black, bright pink eye today. But I do like warm tones a lot. Cool. I can't wait to try this out. I'm going to swatch a couple shades. Nice. I like the shimmer shade. Cool. I cannot wait to try this out. All right. I am going to tidy all this up and then we are going to run down these prices. Alrighty, let's go ahead and see how much this stuff was. Is this the right one? Yeah. Okay. The Thrive Cosmetics mascara is $24, which that actually is kind of, you know, reasonable considering I think that's how much high-end brand mascaras are. I know Tarte is $23. So yeah, that's not a bad price. The Huda Beauty palette is $27. These brushes are $50. It's $10 a brush. What? That's crazy. There's always that one item where you're just like, why? Why is it that much? This is that item. The Ahava Hydration Cream Mask is $33, which that's pretty pricey on its own. And the Murad Exfoliating Cleanser is $39, which that's standard for a Murad product. So yeah, overall, I am like really impressed with what Ipsy did with both my Glam Plus box and my original bag. I think this is the first time in a while that I'm actually going to keep every item. Normally I'm giving items away, but yeah, I really did enjoy it. I will have links down in the description bar if you want to sign up for either Ipsy, either the regular Ipsy bag or Ipsy Glam Plus. They are not affiliate links. They are referral links. I do not earn any money from them at all whatsoever. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to pick up my glitter palette with Texas House of Glitters. We all know she is super pretty because she looks like this. From now until August 31st, she is 50% 50% off, so you can get her for just only $10. What? $10? That's insane. So if you want to get on the glitter goodness that is Hubster, Mama, Sassy Pants, and Bat Squad, you're going to have to pick this bad boy up. My discount code is disabled during this sale. And as always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/MelissaLeahGarrett, on Snapchat as MelissaLeah1223, and on Instagram as MelissaLeahGarrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel out to everyone as well. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though we mainly know I post on Tuesdays and Fridays. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Friday. Bye. Cozy top my head. What? I didn't mind if you drank my Pete's big girl drinks. I didn't want you to drink my other big girl drinks. I am like thoroughly impressed with this mom. Dang, I didn't have BoxyCharm come in to dampen my mood.